In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to group data in Power BI. If your visuals feel cluttered or you want to compare several related categories as a single item, grouping is a fast, built-in way to tidy things up and make your insights clearer. Start by opening your Power BI desktop app on your computer. Once it's open, head into one of your reports that already has the data and visuals you want to work with. You can use any report page, but it's easiest to see the effect of grouping on visuals like bar charts, column charts, pie charts, or any visual that displays distinct categories. Click the visual where you want to create the group. You'll know it's active when you see the selection frame and the fields for that visual highlighted in the pane on the right. Now choose the specific data points you want to group together. Hold the Ctrl key on your keyboard and click each data point or category label right on the visual. Each Ctrl click adds or removes a selection, so if you change your mind, just Ctrl click it again to deselect. Take your time here. Grouping is most effective when you deliberately choose items that belong together, like several regions, product lines, or departments. With your items selected, right-click on one of the selected field values directly within the visual. This opens a context menu tailored to that visual. From here, click Group Data. Power BI instantly creates a new group based on the field you selected. You'll see the visual update, replacing the multiple individual items with a single grouped category. This makes comparisons cleaner and helps you focus on what matters. Behind the scenes, Power BI also adds a new groups field to your fields list, typically named after the original field with groups appended. That means your grouping isn't limited to just this one visual. You can reuse that grouped field in other visuals across the same report for consistent storytelling. If the group data option doesn't appear, make sure you're clicking on a categorical value within the visual rather than a numeric aggregate. A quick tip for selection accuracy: it often helps to click directly on the bars, slices, or category labels rather than the blank space around them. Also, if you're working with a dense chart, consider temporarily filtering the visual to narrow down what you need to select, then create your group. And that's it. Open your report, pick the visual, Ctrl select the categories you want, right-click a selected item, and choose Group Data. It's a simple move that brings structure and clarity to your analysis in Power BI.